everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sarah Star, and there's some sirens going behind me. But I want to show you, I hope everybody's okay. I don't like when I hear sirens. I feel bad for the people they're going to. I mean, it's sad. But I'm at Micahel's, and I'm going to see Micahel's is over there, right there. I'm going to see if they have any more grab bags available, and it's so cold, you guys. It's like 7:30 right now. Ooh, it's cold. But I wanted to hop on here just to show you that I'm going to go to Micahel's. I don't normally come out at night to shop, like this time of the night. It's like still bright, so I have my, these are prescription sunglasses, so I still have them on. But and then I'm going to go to Target, right there. Right there. Target's right here, behind the tree. Right there, Target. So I'm going to go to both, and then I'll see what I can find, and then I will do a haul on it, okay, you guys? But I just want to hop on here and say hello really quick. I hope I can find some leftover Micahel's bags. I've seen some, I saw a YouTuber post that she found some, like a week after they had the grab bags, so I don't know if they're still, you know, I doubt it. Like, I really doubt my luck. But I want to see if I can find, you know, see what I can find. I doubt it. Like, there probably won't be anything there, but you never know. So that's the fun of it, right? So I'm gonna go see what I can find. And it is so chilly. It rained today, super bad today. It rained. Like, so I just came from Hawaii, and we have this California weather that's like totally raining right now. I don't get it. Hey guys, I did not see any more grab bags, but I do see 40% off 4th of July. And I have additional 20% off coupons. I'm going to see if I find anything that I have to have today. So, you know, they've got some cute, really cute stuff here today, you guys. Like, look at this. And this is $10. So, I might have to get that. Isn't that cute? Hi guys, so I want to show you these pillows they have at Micahel's. So I bought some very similar, and I will try to show you guys in upcoming videos, but I got some similar at Walmart for only $5 each. And they weren't canvas like that, but they look very similar, and they're only $5 versus $25 at Micahel's. So I just wanted to tell you about that. Also, they had really cute decorations for 4th of July this year, super cute. Stuff that I hadn't seen before. And so I wanted to just get on here and show you what I was seeing, like the flags and the signs, and you know, it's just really fun stuff. Everything is just the straws right there. I mean, everything. The burlap table runner, so cute, $25, which I feel like is a little overpriced. But things were 40% off. And I love that garland. Like, I live for garland. I love garland and banners so much. That's so cute, right? So it'd be 40% off 15. I also wanted to show you these, the flag bunting for $12, and this gorgeous garland, and and I ended up buying one of those because they're just so pretty. And I thought that was so unique. The firecracker, like, that'd be a fun do-it-yourself project. So I thought that was really darling. And I always like signs that have, you know, like sayings on it. And, you know, especially from famous people in the past, history books, or, you know, important people in the past, Benjamin Franklin. And $16, sorry, and then 40% off of that. And then these are so beautiful. They're the mini bouquets, and they were on sale from $10 to $5. And I had additional 20% off, so I was thinking about getting some. But I wanted to show you what they have for the mini bouquets for $5. And they're just very, very pretty colors. Lots to choose from as far as color schemes. I really like that color. It reminds me of when my parents got married in the 70s. That was like their color scheme. So I really kind of thought that was nostalgic and really pretty. Yeah, so then back over at the 4th of July area, I wanted to show you more of the end caps here. And they had another flag bunting. That was more of like a velvet feeling to it. So they have all different types of materials like burlap, and also some like cupcake decorations. And the shirts are really cute shirts. I like that one with the president on it. And this firecracker thing, I mean, how adorable is that? All this stuff is new to me that I did not see last year. So I thought that was just so precious. And then also these headbands, again, they light up, and I thought that was so cute, $10 and 40% off of that. I also want to tell you guys, I found grab bag boxes here, and I wanted to let you know, I was I picked up one of them, so I'm going to show you in my haul. But the other ones were 4 of like the same thing. So they had like 4 or 5 grab boxes left for $4 each, and they were brand new, never been even put on the floor. They were like, I'll explain more in my haul, but it was just like of the same thing in the boxes. It wasn't a mixed bag, so I decided just to get a mini box to do for a haul and to try and see what is in that box. So here goes my haul. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sarah Starr, and I hope that you enjoyed the video of what I found at Michael's. I stumbled upon the grab boxes, and as it'll probably show in the video, I didn't find, it ended up being duplicates in the boxes. So I thought I was stumbling upon like, you know, a big box of like miscellaneous Easter stuff, but it was actually just like one box had like 4 of the big eggs in it, which were normally $20 each, which is a great deal. But I already got 1 or 2 eggs in my haul when I did the first grab box. You know, grab bags. They were in actually bags, but grab bags earlier, like a week ago, I think, a week and a half ago. So I didn't need, you know, any more eggs. And then there was 4 or 5 boxes, I think, and the other ones were again eggs. And then the other one had like the mini eggs. There was like probably, I don't know, I could kind of see inside the box, and there was like tons of those sparkly, beautiful, like miniature eggs, and also like the speckled eggs that were in like the net. So they're really pretty. But again, I think I did get the little mini eggs in my haul too. So I didn't need any more of those. But I chose one little itty bitty box. And so I was kind of like, it's like that game show. Do you pick behind door number 1, 2, or 3? So I decided to go with the, you know, or the prize. You know how they offer that on the game show? Like, do you want what's in box number 1, 2, or 3? Well, I decided to go with the tiny little box that they had, because you can read the description on the outside, but it was at Michael's last night, but I haven't opened it yet because I wanted to do this unboxing with you guys. So I'll go ahead and do that with you guys. I have no idea what it is. So here is my bag. Now, I bought a couple other things in here, so they'll be in here as well. But here's the box. And like I said, I have no idea what it is. All I know is it's fragile. And it is, here's the grab. Like I said, whenever I see this is like happiness for me. I love these grab boxes so much. So, all I could tell from this is it says, I'm reading what it says right here, and it says something, Kids Crafts Ceramic Spring Flower Pot, and that's all I know of. That's all I know. And I tried to look at it online to see if it would tell me, and I couldn't find these on Michaels.com, so I have no idea what this is. And they also have the pink bunny on the box, which I thought was interesting. So yeah, I found these in a random spot, as you'll see in my video. They were like in the back where they're not normally have grab bags, and so that like totally surprised me and shocked me when I looked over and I saw them there. I'm like, wait, what? Why are they over here? So that taught me to learn to look next time around the store, because it could be these boxes or grab bags or boxes could be hidden in different departments, you know, after the initial grab boxes go out. Because like I said, they probably found these additional boxes or maybe got more shipment in and decided to put these, you know, out for, you know, as the grab bag prices, just in a different location. So because there was less of them, that's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so I was prepared this time, you guys. I brought scissors up here. So yeah, so let's go ahead and see what this is. I've been thinking about it, going like, what could it be? So I have no idea. Okay, all I know is it's like some type of flower ceramic pot. That's all I know. So I don't even know. But I was excited to pick this up. It's heavy too. It's really heavy. So okay. They're cute. They're cute. I mean, I thinking it would be something different, but they're really cute. And there's 4 of them, which is what it says in the box. So there's stuff lying around, the little styrofoam. There's 4 in here. Let me show you what I'm seeing. I don't want them to fly out. There's 4 of them in there. I hope it's showing. And I have 4 kids, so this is perfect. So So it'll be good for an Easter craft for next year. Totally worth it because it's like, so it's basically like I paid $1 a pot, you know, and it comes with the paint. And it's really cute, cheery pot with already designed on. I have never seen anything like this before. It has like a garden theme on it. So really cute. And these were selling originally US $5.50. So it would have been $20 box or $22 plus tax if I had paid full price for these. And I paid $4. So they're really cute. I'm not complaining. $4. Like I said, I would have bought these at $1. So they're really cute. And they all look like they have the same, yeah, they all have the same design on it. So those are really cute. So yeah, that's fun. I'm kind of wishing, now that I saw these, that I picked up the bigger eggs. You know, the ones, the humongous eggs, because they had those for $4 as well, and you get 4 in there. And those were originally $20 an egg. So that was a better grab bag value box, but that's okay because, you know what I mean? Like I said, I already have those, so I don't need 4 big eggs really. So this is totally fine, but they're cute, and I think my kids will have you know, a lot of fun decorating these. So yeah, all right. So that's what I got for $4, and I'll go ahead and show you what I got with the rest of the haul. So, and I like that it's already in a box, so I can just store it easily, and I don't have to worry about it breaking or anything. It's already just done for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, it feels a lot heavier than what it's actually is inside. So that was kind of a trip. Like, what? It's like a lot heavier than what you would think would be inside. Okay, so the next thing I bought was, I bought this candle. I've been wanting to get another candle, and so I'll go ahead and zoom in. And did it break? No. So this is Tropical Margarita, and it smells really good. It almost smells like fruit roll-ups, like, you know, the red ones. It smells like a fruit roll-up, very similar to a fruit roll-up. So anyway, I picked up that, and then I'll tell you how much I paid for everything after. But I just wanted to get another candle, so I like to switch up the scents, you know, so I got that. I've never tried that one before. Then the last thing I bought was this banner, and this is really cute. I thought this would be great to swag along my picture here, so, you know, to decorate for 4th of July and Memorial Day. So this was 40% off, and then additional, I had a coupon, they sent me additional 20% off. So I got that off also this one right here. So here, I'll go ahead and zoom in closer. And I'll actually open it up for you guys since I'm going to go ahead and put this up. But as you see, I'm already starting to decorate. And I wanted to show you this before I put it up there. But so it's like on burlap, and it's got like a shiny back, looks like. And so this is kind of how it looks. Well, not kind of. I mean, it is how it is what it is, right? So yeah, I thought that would be really pretty for my to swag across my picture frame to decorate for, like I said, Memorial Day and 4th of July. So anyway, it's very strong. I can really smell the burlap when I just open this. It is 7.5 feet long. That's a pretty good size garland. So that is all I got from Michael's. And I know it's like a little itty bitty haul, and I was really hoping this would be something amazing in there, but it's really cute, but it's not like amazing, but that's just, you know, it's totally okay. Totally okay. Because like I've gotten some amazing deals in the grab boxes before. So that is okay. Totally okay. So, but I was going to tell you how much I paid for everything. So the $4 grab boxes you don't get to use additional 20% off. So I paid full price for that. Full price for that. The candle was on sale for I think 3 for $10, but then I got another 20% off, so it made it just $2.66, which is a great deal. Because I've bought candles at the Dollar Tree before, and I love the candles at the Dollar Tree, but they tend to burn fast for me, and like that's more than 1 or 2 candles. Do you know what I mean? At the Dollar Tree, this is a bigger value for $2.66. So that's why I prefer to buy them at Micahel's when I can. Like I said, I bought from the Dollar Tree before, and they do smell really good. I just want something that can like last a little bit longer, you know, with a bigger jar. So for the price. And so that was $2.66. And then this beautiful garland was only $3.84. So I spent a total with the grab bag or grab box $11.31. So I think I did really, really good, because like I said, if I had bought these flower pots that I bought in the grab box originally, that would have been $22 just right there. And if I had paid full price for this banner, which I didn't tell you the full original price of that banner. Where is that? The original price of that banner was $8. So $8. So we're looking at 28, 22, 28, 30, about $33, $34, and I spent $11.81. So yes, or 31 cents. Yes, $11.31. So yeah, you guys, that is my haul. I hope you enjoyed it. And yes, so I will be back with another haul very soon. I went to the Goodwill today, and I found some really fun things. So I'll go ahead and do a video on that shortly. But for now, I wanted to get this video up tonight so you can see what I got at Micahel's last night. And like I said, I was waiting to dive into this box and see what I got. So yeah, I'm happy with everything I got. And I hope that you guys are having a wonderful Friday. And what else was I wanting to say? Yeah, have a wonderful Friday. I think we're having rain in California tomorrow and Sunday. So that is going to be what we're doing, like having the rain. And I probably will go back to the Goodwill on Sunday as well to see the additional 50% off which color tag will be. So I have some shopping in the future planned in the next couple days as well, which, yeah. So anyway, I just want to hop on here and show you what I got. And I hope that you guys have a wonderful evening. And thank you again so much for being here. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And would love to have you part of my YouTube channel at family. And thank you again for all your love and support. And I'll see you guys really soon with my next haul. All right, guys, take care. Talk to you soon. Bye.